What's going on, Reshoevn8r Nation? Welcome back to another Shoe Care Academy video. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and today I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean up these Air Jordan 1 A Ma Manieres using Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit. So without wasting any more time, let's get bubbly. All right, before we get into the video, we gotta discuss the elephant in the room. Why I shaved my beard. See, Ken, I know what you're thinking. Why did I shave my beard? It is because I was out a couple weeks due to COVID. Boo! See, Ken, you know how that feels, right?
I do know how it feels.
Like just being down and out for a few weeks. My beard got all crazy, scuffy, and it was just time to shave it.
He was doused.
Yep, so I got knocked out, bro. First round, bing! But I'm back, and I'm better than ever. And I'm excited. So let me know in the comment section below. If you've gotten COVID, I went 2 years dodging and weaving coronavirus. And then I got it and it knocked me out. So hit me with the L in the comment section if you've got it. And if you haven't, hit me with the W, because you're lucky, because it sucks. But as always, guys, for cleaning videos, we're gonna put the left shoe aside and start with the right shoe. Now you already know the A Ma Maniere Jordan 1s are a fire shoe. See, Ken, you were talking about it, why we got it this dirty, right? Because you really like the shoe. What do you like about it?
I love it. I love the offset, like burgundy. It's like almost brown, the textures.
Yep.
It's like my favorite new one for sure.
Your favorite new one. Wow, that's a
favorite one I've seen in a long time.
That's a bold statement. Yeah, so when I first seen photos of the A Ma Maniere one, I really liked it. It was really cool. But seeing them in person, I don't know how I feel about the leather texture. Like, Miguel's been wearing these to get them dirty, and this front toe box here got like scuffed, but I guess that's how the material is. Like, it's supposed to crack and like fade color to that burgundy that you like. So I'm not really sure how I feel about the reptile kind of look. It kind of looks like a reptile skin.
That's what I like about it.
Oh, so you like that? I guess that's the whole theme, right? Because it's got snake skin on the swoosh. Yeah, I mean, it's a nice shoe. I still am on the fence about like whether I would get it or not. Because they are reselling for like $450, $500, which is kind of steep if you're asking me. But in my opinion, I definitely like the ones better than the A Ma Maniere 3s. Would you agree?
100%.
Cool, so would you cop these?
Yeah.
Awesome. Well, you guys heard it first. Sheet case closet, he would get the A Ma Maniere 1s. So the first thing we're gonna do, guys, is unlace the shoe. You see that dust get kicked off there? Whew, I need a mask. Now that the laces are removed, guys, it's time to insert our shoe tree. Now these are adjustable up to about a size 13. So I'm gonna adjust it. These are a size 11. I think that's about here. What this is gonna allow me to do is apply more pressure to that toe box. All right, next step, guys, grab our bottle solution here, pour a couple squirts into our bowl of water, and start the cleaning using our soft bristle brush. Oh yeah, oh right here, yeah. Now that I'm done drying the entire uppers, guys, it's time to move on to the midsoles. We're gonna take care of that using the medium brush, and lastly, the outsoles using the stiff brush. So let's go ahead and grab that brush now. All right, the outsoles are looking all nice and clean. I'm gonna do a full 360 of the shoe. All right, last and final step is to grab the laces, dip them into our bowl of water and solution. And I did forget to mention that I did switch out the water when we moved on to the medium brush to clean the midsoles and the outsoles. So that's why it's not as murky. Now we're gonna grab it, rub them in between our hands, get it nice and bubbly. Let's see if I could blow a bubble. I used to do this back in the day. For any of my OG Viewers, you guys remember the bubbles with the laces? Let's see if I can do it again. Let's bring it back. Woo! Still got it, baby. All right, now it's time to set the shoes and the laces outside to dry, and I'll see you guys in just a bit. All right, guys, we are back. It's actually been about a week since we first started cleaning this shoe, but we are back to shoot this beautiful outro, and as you can see, the shoes cleaned up immaculately, guys. Now, one thing I do want to point out is the cracked leather. Now, let me hold these side by side. I know this one's a little beat, so it's gonna be kind of hard to tell, but the leather was already cracking due to irregular wear. Now, this shoe did clean up, but seeing it next to a brand new pair, you can tell a difference. So we went ahead and grabbed one from our sneaker store, Many Worlds, and boom. You can clearly see, I don't know if you guys can, but here in person, that it is different. Now, this is a dead stock pair, so if you haven't worn your pair, be aware that it might crack over time due to just regular wear. I think that's how the shoe is designed. So just be careful, make sure you take care of your shoe, and don't try to trash it like we did on this pair right here. But once again, guys, we were able to clean up these A Ma Maniere Jordan 1s using the Reshoevn8r's Essential Kit. And just to recap, I used the soft brush on the entire uppers, hit up the midsole with the medium brush, and of course took care of that outsole using the stiff bristle brush. Now, if you guys want to buy this actual pair right here for a steal, make sure you click the link in the description below to shopmanyworldsclothing.com. That's where we'll have it. And if you like today's video, make sure you hit that like button. And if you're new here, hit that subscribe button. I'm Johnny Bubbles, and I'll see you guys on the next one. Peace. In darkness in the valley, we could live like Jack and Sally if we want, where you can always find me. Halloween on Christmas. I don't need the lyric video, which just never ends.